Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your cooking game this year, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 best Instant Pots on Amazon for 2025. Whether you're new to pressure cooking or you're looking for a reliable upgrade, we've got something for everyone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1. This is the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1. A top pick for versatility. It handles pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice making, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, warming, and even sterilizing. It comes in a 6-quart stainless steel body and includes an app with over 800 recipes. This model is great for families or anyone who wants a multifunctional cooker. The display is super intuitive and it heats up fast. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and easy to clean. Pros: 9 cooking functions. Easy-to-use interface. Includes recipe app. Good for beginners and pros alike. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 6-quart. Next up is the Duo 7-in-1, one of the most loved Instant Pots. It does all the essentials: pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, make yogurt, warm, and sterilize. It's a 6-quart model, making it great for medium-sized households. This is the perfect starter model. It doesn't have as many presets as the Duo Plus, but it gets the job done efficiently. Pros: solid performance, affordable price point, stainless steel pot, trusted by millions of users. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini 3-quart. For singles, couples, or RV travelers, the Instant Pot Duo Mini is a 3-quart version of the Duo series. It offers the same 7-in-1 functionality in a smaller package. It's compact but mighty. You can do everything from oatmeal to soups and stews. Plus, the smaller size means quicker pressure buildup and release. Pros: great for small spaces, lightweight and portable. Same powerful features as larger duos. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 8-quart. If you're cooking for a crowd, check out the 8-quart Instant Pot Duo. It's the same as the 6-quart model but made for larger families or meal preppers. This is ideal for big batches of chili, soup, or stew. It's reliable and has plenty of room to work with. Pros: perfect for batch cooking. Reliable 7-in-1 functions. Large inner pot capacity. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1. Next is the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1, a premium model. This one adds sous vide cooking to the usual 9 features. It has a sleek black design, advanced steam release, and favorites programming. If you're a serious home cook, this model gives you maximum flexibility. The improved inner pot is stovetop safe and has easy grip handles. Pros: 10 cooking modes, sous vide function, best inner pot design, faster steam release. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We post weekly product roundups just like this. Number 6. Instant Pot Duo Crisp with Air Fryer Lid. This model combines an Instant Pot and air fryer in one. Pressure cook your chicken, then air fry it to crispy perfection, all with one device. This is the ultimate space-saving tool. The air fryer lid is detachable and works surprisingly well for fries, wings, and veggies. Pros: pressure cooker plus air fryer. Saves counter space. Dual functionality is convenient. Number 7. Instant Pot RIO 7-in-1. The Instant Pot RIO brings a modern look with essential 7-in-1 functionality. It has a streamlined display and updated design for 2025. Same power, updated style. It's ideal if you care about functionality and aesthetics. Also very beginner-friendly. Pros: sleek redesign, easy controls, all essential functions. Number 8. Instant Pot Duo Nova. The Duo Nova is built with safety in mind. It includes an auto-sealing lid, helpful pressure indicators, and the usual 7-in-1 cooking versatility. If you're nervous about pressure cooking, the Duo Nova adds a layer of comfort and safety. Pros: easy seal lid, great for new users. Clear status indicators. Number 9. Instant Pot Max. The Instant Pot Max is the only one that supports true pressure canning. It features NutriBoost tech for broth and soups plus touchscreen controls. This is more of a pro model. If you're into canning or want more precise cooking, this is worth the investment. Pros: pressure canning function, touchscreen controls, NutriBoost feature. Number 10. Instant Pot Star Wars Edition. Last but not least, for the fans, the Instant Pot Star Wars Editions come with themed designs like R2, D2, Darth Vader, and Stormtroopers, while still having all the 7-in-1 cooking features. Great for gifts or collectors, this edition blends fun with function. Kids love them and they still perform like the original duo. Pros: fun designs, full Instant Pot functionality, great gift option. So there you have it. The top 10 best Instant Pots on Amazon for 2025, from mini models for small spaces to pro-level pressure cookers with advanced features. No matter your cooking style, there's an Instant Pot here that can save you time and make meal prep easier. Which one are you planning to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more top product reviews.